Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Kraken. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Kraken is a low-risk, beginner-friendly crypto exchange that was founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell and has over 9 million clients worldwide. With Kraken, you can trade more than 100 cryptocurrencies, and tight spreads are guaranteed. You can also leverage your trades by up to 5 times and increase your earnings with the Kraken staking program. The Kraken customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if you are new to crypto trading, you will find some great how-to guides, videos and podcasts on the Kraken website, and the mobile applications are designed to be beginner-friendly. Safety is no issue with Kraken because this exchange is the first crypto company ever to be awarded a US state banking charter, making Kraken a special purpose depository institution, or SPDI, which is a bank that operates under the supervision of the Wyoming Division of Banking under strict regulations. You can contact the Kraken customer support team directly from the mobile application or web interface, or you can click on the Features tab and navigate to the support page from there. You can also call them directly if you require any more personalized assistance. Kraken has made a great effort to make the platform safe, so let's start by looking at why this is one of the safest crypto exchanges you can trade with. Firstly, 95% of all deposits are kept in offline, air-gapped, geographically distributed cold storage, and their servers are in secure cages under 24/7 surveillance by armed guards and video monitors. All sensitive account information is encrypted, and they run a bug bounty program to identify vulnerabilities in the systems they use. Kraken's accounts are secured using Google Authenticator and YubiKey two-factor authentication. Email confirmation is required for withdrawals. You can configure your account to timeout after a certain amount of time, and SSL encryption is used to protect you while you are browsing on Kraken. If you are not sure how to configure these security measures, head over to the Security Features page and read through the how-to guides provided. Once you have created an account and secured it, you will be able to trade more than 100 of the most liquid and most popular cryptocurrencies. Before you can buy crypto, you can fund your Kraken account with fiat currencies, using third-party payment applications, wire transfer, as well as debit or credit cards. Or you can fund your account using the cryptocurrencies you already have. If you are an institutional client, Kraken offers special corporate-level funding methods. You can find more details on their fee structure under the Features tab, and you can get started with as little as $10 US, which is another reason Kraken is one of our top-rated crypto exchanges for beginners. Now that your account has been secured and funded, you can start choosing the cryptocurrencies you would like to add to your portfolio. Kraken offers more than 100 cryptocurrencies, including Kusama, Cardano, Compound, Algorand, Cosmos, and Dash. And all you need to do is download the free mobile application. The Kraken application is a beginner-friendly mobile application that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and it can be used to easily manage your account and instantly purchase cryptocurrencies. Kraken also offers a more advanced application called Kraken Pro, which has enhanced security features, You can also create watch lists on this application and view charts in different timeframes. To download the Kraken applications, simply click on the Get the App button or download it directly from the homepage. If you are not sure which cryptocurrencies to buy yet, we would recommend reading through the guides and blogs provided, so that you have more background knowledge about the cryptocurrencies you are interested in buying. Once you have started building your crypto portfolio, you can try some new things, such as leveraging your trades or staking the crypto you own. With Kraken, you will be able to leverage your trades by up to 5 times, and if you are interested in staking crypto, you can earn up to 23% interest annually on more than 12 popular cryptocurrencies. Kraken is also a great platform for trading spot markets, indices, and futures. And you can use the Crypto Watch tool to keep tabs on your favorite cryptocurrencies. With this tool, you can watch more than 2,000 cryptocurrencies and create price and volume alerts for the ones you are adding to your portfolio. And you will also be able to customize and analyze charts in detail to keep track on even the slightest price movements. If you prefer using your desktop, all you need to do is sign into your account to use the web interface, where you can easily buy and sell crypto, contact support, stake cryptocurrencies, and review your account history. Kraken is a crypto exchange, only it does not provide a wallet. So we would recommend transferring your assets to your preferred crypto wallet once you have purchased them. The safest type of storage for digital assets is a hardware wallet such as Ledger or Trezor, and these wallets can be managed with applications. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets, and you can store up to 100 decentralized applications. The Trezor hardware wallet is one of the most trusted crypto wallets with advanced password encryption. This wallet can be connected to third-party wallets used with the Trezor application, or it can be integrated seamlessly with Ethereum. You can also connect a software wallet, which may be the more affordable and user-friendly option for some people. We would recommend Exodus, the Coinbase wallet, or Mycelium. The most important thing to consider when choosing a wallet is making sure that it supports the coins or tokens you are buying. For example, can your wallet store altcoins? Is it compatible with ERC20 tokens? And does your wallet have good customer reviews and additional security features? In order to open an account with Kraken, simply open the Kraken homepage and click on the Create Account button. Next, you'll want to enter your username, email address, and password. You can create either a personal account or a business account. Once that is done, activate your account by entering the verification sent to your email address. To access the full features of your account, it will need to be verified by providing identification documents. How long this takes will depend on whether you choose the starter plan, the intermediate plan, or the professional plan. After you have verified your account, you can fund your account and start trading. So what do we like about Kraken? Kraken is one of the most safest crypto exchanges in the world because this company operates under the supervision of the United States Wyoming Banking Division, and their accounts offer high levels of security. This is also one of the best exchanges for beginners because their applications are designed to be beginner-friendly. You can start buying crypto with as little as $10 and there are plenty of educational guides that you can use along the way. However, if you are looking for something more advanced, Kraken does offer a professional version of the mobile application, and the web exchange has plenty of built-in tools for analysis, and you can set up price alerts and watch lists for your favorite instruments. In the near future, you will also be able to buy exclusive NFTs directly from Kraken. You can check out their announcement blog to stay up to date with their NFT announcements. In the meantime, if you are interested, why not open your account today and join the waitlist? Kraken offers flexible accounts and multiple funding options, and is a great choice if you are a beginner or if you are interested in trading major cryptocurrencies with low fees. We also recommend using Kraken if you would like to stake your crypto or if your investment portfolio is based on futures and indices. Alternatively, trading with Kraken could be a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio. And that is our overview of Kraken. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.